sa taon ng kauna-unahang radyo, DZRH. Nasungkit nito ang prestigyosong KBP Golden Dove Award. Pinarangalan ang DZRH bilang 28th KBP Best AM Radio Station in Metro Manila. Best Public Affairs Program, The Dami Bayan. Best Science and Technology Program, Radyo Enyo. Best Public Affairs Program Host, Milky Regulado. Best Public Service Program Host, May Binauhan. Best Science and Technology Journalist, Angelo Palmones. Best Field Reporter, Jesper Rigafort. Best Culture and Arts Program at Best Drama Program, Radyo Balintataw. At ang Best Radio Public Service Announcement, alam nyo na, patunay na DZRH lang ang inyong pinagkakatiwalaan. Kaya naman, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagtitiwala dahil ang DZRH, una sa Pilipinas, una sa Pilipinas.
Manila Broadcasting Company.
DZRH, a proud member of NBC Media Group.